Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus tab, and today I will show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. Now for this you will unfortunately need a cable, so you can plug it into your computer and then have it ready to go. So you can start off by literally plugging it right away, and from here we're gonna hold the power key and just kind of flip it over. Okay. So this is kind of just so I can keep my little bandaged up finger out of the way. But yeah, as you can see, we have our power and volume up. So what you want to do here? Hello, can you stop? There we go. So there's two ways of what? Oops. So like I said, there's two ways of going about it. So obviously if you know your pin, you can use that. If you don't, you can hold power key and volume down, which will forcibly restart the device, and once it turns off you want to then switch to volume up. I'll be obviously showing the more legit version, so we can just simply flip the damn display over. There we go. We can pull down our notifications, and in here, there we go, we have this button. Press on it, select power off, and it's gonna turn off. So right now we want to now already hold power key and volume up. Now once you see the logo and feel the vibration, you can let go of the keys and wait for, there we go, the recovery mode to show up. And additionally, you can also unplug the cable because it's not needed anymore. So there we go. Now in here you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, so volume up goes up and volume down goes down. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now that being said, from here we can reboot the device and go back just to the Android, which is the first option and selected always by default. We can reboot to bootloader, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, factory reset the device, wipe cache partition, on system, view logs, run test, and power off the device along with repairing apps. And like I mentioned, whatever you have selected, you can confirm with power key, which will then be accepted and proceed with it. Now it is only rebooting, but for some reason it's taking it forever to boot back up, so let's just be patient, and there we go, finally. So that is how you would access the recovery mode on this phone, or tablet in this case. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.